Okay, you got this.
Dude, don't worry about it, okay?
Okay.
Calm down.
Alright, I'm not gonna be weird, I'm not gonna be awkward. What's going on? Okay.
Hey, hi, how are you?
Hi.
Oh, hi,
I'm Sid.
hi, Sid.
Oh, it's
Gena.
my friend.
Oh,
Sorry.
hi.
How's Liz doing?
Oh, yeah, she's in her room.
Oh,
Hi,
Liz.
oh my gosh, hey.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
Oh, this is Sid, by the way.
Hi, I'm Sid.
Hi, what's up?
How's school?
At Rudder. No way, why did you text me? So there's like
Wait.
10 boxes.
Which letter?
Wait, it's like that big plaza. You've never heard of it? So Sid, what do you do in your free time?
I play a sport.
Oh, what sport?
You know what Quidditch is?
Like from Harry Potter?
Yeah, but like it's not like real. Of course it's not real. I mean, but it's like, yeah, it's fun. It's really fun.
It's really interesting.
Yeah.
Wait, so don't you play a sport?
Yeah, I used to play basketball in high school.
Wait, I'm not a nerd though. If you guys were like at all thinking, no, cool. Seriously, just say.
Dude, why are you embarrassing me?
I'm sorry. What's going on?
You know, you are a nerd playing a little kid's game.
Are you talking about that Quidditch? It's not a kid's game. It's school sponsored.
You like Harry Potter? You're such a kid. Why am I talking to someone so immature?
No, it's not
Why
like.
do you have those stupid glasses? What, you're trying to copy Harry Potter?
No, I got this from Mindy. I didn't mean it like that.
She just kind of said it in a tone that was like really weird. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Where's Ted?
He's in the bathroom.
Yeah. He is. Come on. If I have nothing to say, I shouldn't say anything. Or something, I don't know. I suck at it. What's going on? Why should you have something to say? You don't know these people. I guess so. They probably don't even care what you have to say. They only care about Ted. You're just tagging along. They hate you. No one likes you. But here's what you can do. Go home. Go to sleep. No one will ever talk to you. No one will ever talk about you. You'll disappear.
Like the class, even wasn't that hard. But like I thought the test was like. You good, Sid?
Yeah. I was just thinking
What are you thinking about?
how I think too much, or I just get in my head a lot. So that's why. Yeah.
You know, I feel you. Like sometimes, like I'm scared of saying the wrong thing, and then I'm like, oh my god, did I seriously just say that? And that's just me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, even after a party, I think, was I being too weird, or
Yeah,
do people
exactly.
remember what I said?
Alright. Listen to me, okay? You know what I do in those situations? I think to myself, not everything's about me. Like, not in a bad way, but people aren't out there thinking about what you're doing or judging you. They're worried about themselves.
Yeah, that's.
I guess so.
Yeah.
You're alone. These people don't care what you have to say. You're right. These people are gonna make fun of you. That may be true. But didn't you just hear? Everybody thinks like that. Everybody overthinks and everybody feels self-conscious. And if everyone's doing it, why do I act like an outsider? Maybe if I take a breath, you'll quiet down. But I'll always be here, in your ear. I know. I'll just choose not to notice.
Nobody likes you, nobody cares. Nobody wants you, nobody cares. To extend a greeting, a connecting lands. Life is just a jaded game to them. They will give it a chance. But you know when I know.
Alright, bye guys.
Bye, thank you for having us.
Told you not to worry.
Okay, yeah, you did.
Freedom is free, and you can't take that away from nobody.